In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple things that instantly make your videos better: adding text, color grading, and clean cuts. If you're new to editing, these are the basics you really want to get right, so let's jump straight into it. Adding text to your video really makes a huge difference. It helps your viewer understand what's going on, even if they're not listening with sound. You can use text to highlight key points, introduce sections, or just reinforce what you're saying. For example, if I mention something important, I'll add a short line of text so it sticks. Color grading is what gives your video a mood and makes it look more professional. Even small adjustments can make a big difference. Start by fixing the basics: exposure, contrast, and white balance before doing anything fancy. The goal isn't to make it look crazy, it's to make it look natural and consistent. Clean cuts are what make a video feel smooth and easy to watch. Cut out long pauses, mistakes, and anything that doesn't add value. Good pacing keeps people engaged. Transitions are also a big part of this. Simple transitions help clips flow together, but you don't need anything flashy. Most of the time, a clean cut or a simple fade works best. When your cuts and transitions feel invisible, you're doing it right. When you're editing a video, focusing on these basics is really important. Text, color grading, and clean cuts might seem small, but together they change everything. Utilizing them can make your videos go from this to this. If these tips helped you, try using them in your next edit and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching. Have fun editing your videos.